Today we are going to discuss a common type of headache that many people experience. A tight band of pain. The exact cause of tension headaches is not fully understood. Primary symptoms of a tension headache is a dull, aching pain on both sides of the head. Hello, my name is Dr. Zain Abadin, and I'm working at Islamabad International Hospital Research Center. Today we are going to discuss a common type of headache that many people experience. Tension headaches. If you often feel a tight band of pain around your head, you're not alone. Let's dive into what tension headaches are, their causes, and how to manage them. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a tension headache? In simple terms, a tension headache is a mild to moderate pain that is often described as feeling like a tight band around your head. It is the most common type of headache, and while it can be uncomfortable, it is usually not severe enough to interfere significantly with daily activity. The exact cause of tension headaches is not fully understood, but they are often related to stress, muscle tension, or strain in the neck and shoulder. Poor posture, long period of sitting, and eye strain can also contribute to tension headaches. Now let's talk about the symptoms. The primary symptoms of a tension headache is a dull, aching pain on both sides of the head. It might also come with tightness or pressure across the forehead or on the back of the head and neck. Unlike migraine, tension headaches typically do not cause nausea, vomiting, or sensitivity to light and sound. Now let's discuss treatment options. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen, aspirin, or acetaminophen can be effective in relieving the pain of a tension headache. However, it is important to use these medications as directed and not to overuse them, as this can lead to rebound headaches. In addition to these medications, there are several non-drug approaches that can help manage tension headaches. These include practicing good posture, taking regular breaks to stretch if you sit for long periods, and ensuring that your work environment is ergonomically friendly. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, yoga, or meditation can also be beneficial. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also play a significant role in preventing tension headaches. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and staying hydrated can help reduce the frequency and severity of headaches. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful. Do not forget to share with your loved one. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to us to cover, drop them in comments below. Take care and see you next time.